Understanding Words Fail Me, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, words fail me. This expression is used in English to convey a very specific feeling, and understanding it can greatly enhance your conversational skills. Let's dive in. Words fail me is an idiomatic expression used when a person finds it difficult to express their thoughts or emotions because they are too strong or complex. It's often used in situations of extreme emotion, whether it be amazement, frustration, or sadness. This phrase highlights the limitations of language in conveying the depth of one's feelings. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used in everyday conversation. 1. After witnessing a stunning sunset, I wish I could describe this view, but words fail me. 2. Reacting to surprising news. When I heard the news, words just failed me. 3. Expressing deep emotion. In moments like these, words fail me to express how grateful I am. These examples show that the phrase is versatile and can be applied in various emotional contexts. Understanding synonyms can help you recognize this sentiment in different forms. Some synonyms include, I'm speechless. I'm at a loss for words. I don't know what to say. There are no words. While these phrases have similar meanings, their use can depend on the context and the speaker's personal style. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, words fail me, in your English conversations. It's a powerful expression that can add depth to your communication, especially when dealing with strong emotions. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to use it when you really feel that words just aren't enough. See you in the next video.